Artificial intelligence AI text-to-speech models are becoming increasingly popular for content creation in different languages. These models use AI technology to generate synthetic speech that sounds and human-like, allowing creators to generate audio content quickly and easily in multiple languages. Here are some of the benefits of AI text-to-speech avatar models for content creation. Increased efficiency. Text-to-speech avatar models can generate audio content at a much faster rate than humans can speak, allowing content creators to produce high-quality audio content quickly and efficiently. Multi-language support. AI avatar models can generate speech in multiple languages, making it easier for content creators to reach a wider audience and expand their cost-effective. Traditional voiceover recording can be expensive, especially if you need to hire professional voice actors for multiple languages. AI text-to-speech avatar models are a cost-effective alternative, allowing creators to produce high-quality audio without the added expense. Consistency. AI text-to-speech avatar models produce consistent audio content, ensuring that the voice and tone of your audio content remain the same across different languages and throughout your content life. Accessibility. AI text-to-speech avatar models can also make content more accessible for individuals with hearing impairments or those who prefer audio content over written content. Accessibility. AI text-to-speech avatar models can also make content more accessible for individuals with hearing impairments or those who prefer audio content over written content.
Overall, AI text-to-speech avatar models offer a cost-effective, efficient, and flexible solution for content creators looking to generate high-quality audio content in multiple languages. With the advancements in AI technology, these models are becoming more sophisticated and realistic, making them an increasingly popular tool for content creation.